YouTube, this is Come and Take It. We're outside. We're getting ready to clean off this chicken tub. It's actually a plastic container that we got at Walmart's, and we've been using these containers to take care of our chickens. But apparently, out of the chickens that we purchased from Tractor Supply, one has already died yesterday, and then another one is dying right now. So my son and I read online about this disease that starts with a C, cockatilis or something like that. And I want to make sure that when we change over the tubs, we change over these tubs every day. So I want to make sure I show people how to change over the tubs so you'll see that we're not causing the problem. I'm going to sanitize this tub with bleach and soap. So, okay, watch me as I do it. Put some soapy water in there. Doesn't have to be too much. Then we're going to put 3 capfuls of bleach in here. 3 capfuls. How many capfuls? 3 capfuls. One. 2. Oh, that's 3. That's 3. It wasn't supposed to spill out like that, but oh well. Don't show the...
All right.
Now I'm going to fill it up with water, about a gallon. If that virus, that cockatiel virus, again, I'm not saying the name properly, but it's something like cockatiel. Anyway, if that virus is killing the chickens, I'm not gonna take the chickens and put them back into a dirty bin, because that's where they're gonna get it. So I will clean this bin out with bleach and soapy water like this. No virus can survive in bleach. Now I take a rag, dip it in the bleachy water, and clean the whole cage. I mean the whole tub. This is where we put the chickens after we clean them. After we change the tub and change the water. Okay? You got to change the water for the chickens every single day. At least twice a day. You got to change the tub every day. And I recommend doing this with the tub every time you change it. Because if you have chickens dying in a tub, and then you go and you exchange the tub for another tub, and that tub had chickens dying in it, you're not getting any benefit for the chickens. You're going to cause the chickens to die. Okay, put it on pause.
Go.
Okay, YouTube. Now, not only do you have to clean the tub that you put the chickens in with bleach and soapy water to kill all the viruses and any bacteria that's causing these chickens to die, but you also have to clean out their water thing, because look, as you see, they crap in there, and they drop wood in there, and they drop junk in there. You have to clean out the food thing, because it's the same thing, okay? And you got to clean out, we use this as a base. See all the crap and stuff that's on there? We use that as a base for the water container. The idea was that they would have to stand up on and not dump junk into the water container. That was my idea. So I'm going to just clean these out. Clean the crap and stuff off. Clean the crap in there. Looks like that's pretty clean. Throw it in bleach. And you see this tub right? This is what we use as a standing thing. Look at the crap. So there's probably more viruses on there. I'm going to clean this one off as well. And then we're going to take this over here. Same thing, dump the water out. That's already just got water in it, so that's going in. And then we're going to spray this junk out, because I don't know what that is. Looks like it's just crap and wood. Okay? Now, just like you do with your dishes, hopefully this is how you clean your dishes. I'm going to use that rag to clean these things off. Bleach kills everything, I've been taught. It doesn't make sense to keep this in the tub, switching it from tub to tub, if this has the death virus on it, the chicken death virus. It doesn't make sense to put this in the clean tub, does it? Because then you'll just be transferring the virus to the new tub. Okay? And by the way, this is not a dish rag, this is just a regular shop rag. I'd say that's pretty clean. That's been sanitized and bleached. Okay? Okay, that's implement number 1. Looks like I missed a spot. Okay. I'm going to put this on top of this tarp here. Then I'm going to clean the next thing, which is the base of the water bottle. This has to be done every time you transfer your chickens from one tub to the next. Everything that they touch in that cage has to be cleaned. I think in this way it should prevent the chickens from getting that cockatiel virus that causes them to die. I'm hoping that that's what the problem is anyway. I don't know. Maybe some of you experts with chickens can tell what's going on here. If you know what's causing these chickens to die, and if you know a better way to clean their cages, the tub I mean, then let me know. Put it in the comments. Maybe you think that what I'm doing is admirable in the right way. Let me know. So that's nice and sanitized. Not that any germs could get inside the tub here, the drinking tub, but
Right.
okay, so we got that cleaned. Now I'm going to clean the food container, because they do crap in the food container, along with putting pieces of wood, and there could be all kinds of germs in the food container as well. So if you want to raise chickens, these are some of the things you have to deal with, and some of the procedures you need in order to keep them alive as long as possible. Obviously, if we're getting diseased chickens from Tractor Supply, and that's not something I can do anything about. But I can take my best precautions to make sure it doesn't happen to the future ones, future chickens. Again, if any of you have clues as to why my chickens are dying, even though I'm taking these precautions, then let me know, okay? Doing the best I can. I'm rinsing very well because I don't want bleach left over on the container. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to put it on pause and I'm going to go in and take those in the house and dry those off.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm going to finish the tub and then I'm done. And hopefully this prevents the chickens, any more chickens from dying. Because up until this point, I haven't been cleaning them out this well. I hope that's my problem, is I haven't been cleaning it out well enough. But now from this point on, I'm cleaning it with soap and water and bleach. Get rid of any viruses, any bacteria, any germs that could cause these chickens to die. I will do this twice a day. It's a lot of work, but I'll do it twice a day for the chicken's sake. Okay, again, bleach, soapy water. The bleach kills everything. It says right on the bottle it kills 99% of the viruses and bacteria. It even kills Corona Chan. Now, I just thought of something. I don't want to dump this in the grass because then that area of grass is going to have bleach in it, which means that the chickens won't be able to eat from this area. So I'm going to go over by the fence and dump it in the canal in the back.
Alright.
Okay, the final step in the cleaning is to rinse it. And I want to rinse it well because I don't want bleach left over, because too much bleach probably might kill the chickens as well. I'll tell you a little secret, YouTube. It's a good thing that Adonai caused someone to create bleach. Some man or woman created bleach as a result of Adonai's guidance. So, thankful for that. Thankful. Okay, now we're going to let these dry.
Okay.
Now all we got to do is let the chickens, the chicken tub and the various implements dry. And then once we do that, we'll switch the chickens into this nice clean tub. And then I'll do the same thing with the tub I'm taking them out of right now, which is the tub of death for me. So, okay, thank you. Please like and share and subscribe. Thank you, YouTube.